Look.
The rocket is up here with us, and it's going over the coast.
I see it. Move your head. Oh, wow. Wow. That's close.
15 years of flying, folks, praying that I get to see something like this. You don't see this every day. They're going around the moon. I flew down to Florida. I don't know how many times, half a dozen times, to see that space shuttle take off in my day, and always canceled. And here, front row seats. This is something you want to tell your grandkids, you guys that are 3 years old.